darlings. Welcome to another episode of Naughty to Nice, series 3 of 5. I'm taking on little Debbie this time, her oatmeal cream pies. Naughty, naughty, naughty. I can't even begin to tell you how naughty. But if you look at the description below, I'll compare the macros to hers compared to mine, and you're definitely going to want to check it out. So I'm gonna make that, but I thought I would show you just some of the things that I replaced. One, I used this brown sugar that is not brown sugar, okay? It's an alternative sweetener, a Swerve, and I used a little bit of the white sweetener. And then for the filling, that's what I was trying to show you. For the filling, I used the confectioner's Swerve. Used real cream cheese, butter, and a little bit of coconut oil in the cookies themselves, and a little bit of this sweetener too. And most importantly, I used oatmeal. Now, here's the thing. If you're on a low-carb diet, you're probably not going to eat oatmeal pretty much at all. But if oatmeal is okay for you, it is what they call a slow carb. Which means it doesn't immediately metabolize in the same way. So especially if you're an athlete or a CrossFitter, or you're somebody who is doing a lot of weightlifting, oatmeal is actually a pretty good carb. So I will compare in the description the macros so you can check it out. Tell me, it's definitely better than Little Debbie's naughtiness. And I mean, just to tell you, I mean, like, if you look at the stuff like on the inside, kind of creepy looking, but anyways, I don't know. I have no earthly idea, but I don't see real butter in the ingredients, so I'm thinking it's not real butter or cream cheese. All that's good for you. In fact, really, if you look at the ingredients right there, it's not a whole lot of words you might recognize. They really should just put a little description, edible product, instead of, nutrients. But anyways, I hope you enjoy, and I hope you like the recipe. Let me know what you think. Like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy the video and if you enjoy my videos. Also, comment below. Tell me what you want to hear next. I'm going to do 2 more series on Little Debbie. So I hope you have a great day. Thank you for watching my video, and let's get to it. Okay, guys, so here's what we've got. We have some butter and some coconut butter, or coconut oil. Golly, I don't even know what I've got here. All right, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get these guys beaten up so I can cream them with the sugar. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete. Voila, 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 get it in there. Okay, so I've got basically a half a cup of butter, half a cup of coconut oil. Why, you may ask? Because. All right, here we go. Ready? Now, after it was already pretty soft, but I decided I would beat it just a little bit. Now I'm just gonna add, I've got some fake brown, well, I call it fake, but you know what I mean. Some alternative brown sugar and then some regular sugar I'm going to put in there. Just kind of cream that just like I would regular. Meanwhile, I'm going to take my almond flour and my cinnamon and my salt, baking soda, baking powder, and xanthan gum. The xanthan gum is to really bind it. Okay, and I'm just going to kind of give it a little stir. All right, now I'm going to need, let me use guys just a little bit. Looking good, looking good. All right, now I'm gonna add a couple of eggs. And a little vanilla. About a teaspoon will do. All right, now all I'm gonna do is just add my dry ingredients just so they come together. You won't develop the gluten because there is none. Don't be a dork and spill it. And then all I wanna do, just gonna throw in the cranberries and the oatmeal just till it comes together. Now, I kind of forgot, I didn't forget, but I forgot before you guys got here to grind my nuts. So, that's what I'm. These are just walnuts. A lot of times I'll use pecans. Our pecans are better local here. Somebody was supposed to bring me some pecans. Did they bring them to me? No. They said Saturday, so put those pecans in there, or walnuts in there. Walnuts just seem to go with cranberries, I don't know why. Oh, duh. Forgetting something, plug me in. All right, that looks good. So that's ready to go. Oh gosh. If the final result tastes anything as good as that, we got a winner. All right, so we're gonna take these oatmeal cookies. This is like my daddy's favorite, by the way. So if they're any good, I'm gonna feed them to Pops. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, I use this cookie scoop, scoop them down, and then I just press them down just lightly. All right then, looks like they're ready. So they come out of the oven, and depending on your size, these are not exactly the big ones. I made some that were a little bit bigger. So what I've got to do at this point is let them cool really good. and make a really good icing, and it will go between the layers. So hang in there. All right then, so I've got an icing made, and I did make a video of it. Of course, turns out that I didn't have the button push, so something happened along the way, but very simple recipe. I've made buttercream and creamed butter in several videos before. That's all you're gonna do is take 1 stick of butter and 1 of those little packages of Philadelphia cream cheese, and make sure it's softened. You can throw it some hot water if you need it to get warm. And you're just gonna beat those with 1/2 cup of alternative confectioner's sugar and just a splash of vanilla. So that's what you wind up with. So you wind up with a really nice, very beautiful, yummy icing for the center of your cookie. So I'm gonna take 1 of these cookies and just put a little of this delicious cream filling in there. My dog is very anxious to try one. Unfortunately, I'm not going to give it to her at this moment. So be good. Naughty, naughty little dogs. Don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but. All right, and so here's what I wind up with. A delicious knockoff of Little Debbie's. This is a much better, lower carb, much healthier version of the oatmeal cream pies. So I'm afraid, Little Debbie, game's on. You're gonna have to come up with another version, which, by the way, I don't even know if I told you, but dude, these are like crazy amount of carbs, like 57 carbs and 330 calories in one of these girls. I have never even tasted one, and I really don't want to. As you can see, mine look very different from hers. Okay, hers are a little bit bigger. Of course, mine's are a little fatter. You can see mine are fatter. Hers are skinnier. I could probably press mine down a little bit more, but all right, so here goes the big taste. It's good, but it's got that naughty processed, lots of things that are naughty. All right, so let me try this guy. Now this has good oats and some really good cream cheese icing. Oh. I love it. The thing I love about this one is it tastes real. It is real food. It doesn't taste like that fake stuff. Just my opinion. Maybe you don't have the same opinion. My dad liked it. Of course, my dad doesn't eat Little Debbie's, but he did say he wished there was sugar like the regular oatmeal cookies. But he said it's a good alternative if you're trying to lose weight, or if you have other issues and you don't eat a lot of sweets. So anyway, thanks for joining me, guys. Naughty to nice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click the little bell. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching my videos. Let me know in the comments what else you want to see. Have a good day.